to my freaking cat. You know what you call a cat with no legs? Doesn't matter what you call it, because it ain't gonna come.
Right.
Kidding. You gotta have
So no music can have background.
No, copyright.
Oh.
The artist and copyright and song, you know. No, but non-copyright song you can use.
Who are you playing with, sweetie?
Amanda.
Also Jamaican, it's a whole container then go take up there, the whole truck body.
Yeah, you see what I'm going.
God, that couldn't be something normal, man.
No, man. The stuff is up on the road, it's unsafe. See what I mean, guy?
So safe. Unsafe.
Unsafe, man.
So impossible, eh?
I don't wanna go to school. No, I don't wanna go to school. Because I'm gonna break.
Shut up on that one, yeah. Sit down.
Why?
And how do
Who
you
is that
intend to
one,
kill us? Oh, no, I can't kill you. But my buddy can. Say hi, buddy. Let's settle this. Breathe in. So they say it's impossible to get over one.
Jamaica get overpopulated to Jamaican, so we want truck road and all too.
Yeah.
Truck and vehicle of the drive on the same road, you know.
You only have a certain amount of time to get all 100
And
cuts.
then they pass.
No, I know. I'm describing the game. That's what I'm doing. Okay, and I hope you also know you can use two fingers. You weren't doing that the
Some
other
of
time.
good road can pass, you know. I rush you.
Yeah, okay. All it takes is two fingers. Boom, ready? Look at this. I don't even have to look at the screen. I'm actually going at extremely fast at a high efficient speed. Look, what's my score right now? 78? Okay, that was actually horrible. Let's see if we can actually break 100.
So then road I get high, so them I go do round so in a Jamaican.
Yeah, lift down.
Yeah, it's a good look, me not lie.
Please hold on to it. Please don't see
When pass back your white car, don't you know?
Yeah, man, pass him and left him back on.
My son's old IQ 21. He tried to make friends, but they call him King Jong. He don't want Kong, but he felt like King Jong. He's so ugly when he smiles, he look like a King Kong. My son useless, can't play ping pong. He tried to get a dead.
When his music sounds nothing like you expect.
Jaja.
Oh, hey, Juke. Great to see you. Hey, it's Jake. Right.
Take up some.
Yeah, car crash.
Make a happy song. You know why? Because everybody loves happy songs. You know, like this song that you made, Golden Shower. It's amazing. So get in there and make me something happy. Whenever you're ready. Think happy.
Alright. Pass it, turn them now.
Yeah, that clap.
It's out on the road.
Yeah, me just said to myself, say for them,
Wind up on there and hear
you know how I go on, brother.
So like them they will let them all up and spend and they don't know what they reach at all. They are going to go drive trailer and the truck wheel fly off and they don't know enough from one parish to another, you know.
Yeah.
And I see you when seal come home, you know.
Lucky.
Two things some truck man need, I tell you, sometimes they don't pay attention to round there. One truck can go good, see you where wheel fly off, you see me?
You don't know so that
But
way
lick
about right now.
down all people around there, so people have to drive it up and tell the truck wheel fly off and the damage done, so. You see me? Yeah, man.
each other.
A little bump coming.
Oh, that's our Rasta stop.
Yeah.
Gas station. Bumper gas station.
The speed gun, let's have it there. Man, I fuck man.
Backside.
And that man say, have it pan, kill it, one kill it.
Escape, you know.
I'm if you tell you. If you tell you, the boy that got crack, you know. Yeah?
All the more, what back a black there?
Yo, the boy that got crack, you know. They say them a film secret little spot, bro. Yeah, man. Anytime I go down there, right after them spot.
That's nice. I told him, blue him on the girl and
But nah, I tell
and the
you,
moment that they try to in front of the police.
should go over some far. You said that's what you lane and far.
You make the police do one work halfway, and how we are speed.
Ah, you see what I want? I'm a bad job, I'm like,
One do love the police, they take the police over.
hey, that's why I say, we have that back camera. No, I said I'm a bun down out or something.
Yeah, we still on fast.
You're afraid, I'm if you tell you. So I'm a truck boy. I can crack it.
Yeah.
I'm a truck boy, I can rock it.
Big man.
You can't win me, so we are speeding up. Couldn't tell me say we are speed because we have it on camera. I'm on in front.
Who you want to look?
So I have to rewind that thing.
Go on, let's go.
Wow, instant reload.
Everyone needs to do this. Take your finger, cover one of your eyes, and then look at your finger with the other eye. And then take it off. Keep going.
Now, let's get back to the house again.
Yeah, man. Serious about it. Yeah, no, that's- The 9 mile I go walk out to 7 mile to Bullsdale. Bullsdale.